Welcome back to another episode of Sam's Wrecking Yard. This one's more to keep me on my toes, I guess. So I am redecking and redoing something extra to this utility trailer that I got. It's 6 foot by about that long. I'm guessing 8 feet. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. What's good, YouTube? Welcome to Sam's Wrecking Yard. So the other day I was, moving stuff around with it like I always do. And that's when I realized it was wobbling. It used to have like a canopy type of top on it. My guess is the original builder of this and original owner used to use a tarp to cover things. And so that was there. So it held steady for as long as I've owned it, which has been 3 years or something like that. And just the other day, it didn't hold up. The sides were wobbly and everything, and I've been moving it around and undoing it, and it just gets worse and worse and worse as I go. So I think it's long since overdue for this rebuild. I have no idea what I'm going to use. I got lots of material, and we're going to make something out of something, or something out of nothing, or nothing out of nothing. I don't know. Let's see where we're at. So here's a little walk around on it. We also have 5-lug rims that don't fit any other hub bore, so that's pretty interesting. The guts of this thing are fine. Maybe I should go down and pick up a can of Rust-Oleum or something, or Tremclad or something. Yeah, it's just rotten. And pretty much all the boards are like that. So, it was a great design. It just needs love. So that's where we're getting it today. All right, so we made it back from the store with some tools and some paint and some beverages. Gonna go with this Tremclad Rust Performer. It says it instantly converts rust to a protected paintable surface. Flat black. And over top of that, we're gonna go with flat green. I thought I grabbed a semi-gloss. Whatever. And because I can never find my own tools that I own multiples of, got some wire brushes for my drill set up here. So, time to tear it down. Well, ladies and gents, that's why you got to be careful with the DIY stuff. This project actually originally started as a repair. Now it's a restore. I'm going to be using this one to start off with to do that with. Now, any holes, I'm going to completely ignore for the most part. I don't really know what I'm doing over here. I've never built a trailer before like this. Like, I built one for my BMX, but I had to scrap parts when I was like 11 or 12. So because of course I'm going to be flying particles around, I went and did the right thing, got my safety glasses, and I'm going to use a mask. Y'all fell! I have done about as much grinding as I'm willing to do. Actually didn't turn out too bad. It's an old trailer, but no soft spots, which was nice. Although I gotta find my grinding wheel, so cut off this so I can cut that off tomorrow. But for today, I am going to start painting. So I just discovered something interesting to know. Yep, I'm holding it in my hand. This whole time I thought, I knew the bolts were there, but I had assumed that it was welded to the tongue. It is not. That is actually fairly good news for me, because this is a 1 7/8 ball and I want to put a 2-inch ball on it. Why? Just because I want to, man. Like, geez. So that's cool. For the time being, though, of course, once I have it all painted up, I will put this back on and find out where and how much to buy a 2-inch ball. One of these. So I'm going to get to painting. And she's empty. Almost one full can. Had I not been so generous, I probably could have done the first coat in one full can. Sweet. A little bit dark out now. Stopped to have some supper and did a thing off camera by accident. Hey. So, you know, we'll see if this turns out at all. And then I'll apply a second coat tomorrow. But for tonight, that's all she wrote. We had a little bit of rain today, which was really, really nice where I'm at. So it's a little bit chilly. So I don't think this paint has set quite yet. Well, I mean, even at that, the can says wait 24 hours. So I'm going to do the right thing and actually wait this time. Painted those up. They're good to go. I have some decking wood from an old deck, of course, that I got. So I'm going to find out how many. I'm hoping they're long enough. I haven't quite measured this yet. Maybe I should do that and update real quick. But yeah, I'm going to use decking wood just because that's the one I have the most of to do the deck. But I do still want to have sides and a box, like a box trailer, right? I think I want to come up about 3, maybe 4 feet off the deck. We're learning this together. We'll see how I end up doing this. I'm going to do a little bit of research, see how others have done this, and maybe I'll tag the video, if it's a video or a link. I don't actually know how to do that yet, but I'm sure I can figure it out. To the one that gave me the inspiration for however this is going to end up. I think we're going to call that part 1. Not bad. All in a day's work. All right, y'all. Thank you for joining us, Sam's Wrecking Yard. Have a great day. Cheers.